Hi there, today I'm going to show you a trick to clean your strainers through a very not known trick, but I have tried it many times since many years, and this strainer will be clean quite a lot. Okay, let us try. And here is our Clorox triple action cleans just whiters. Now we need to pour this into it a lot so that it can be dipped over all. Okay, and we'll keep it for around 15 to 30 minutes like that only, and after 15 to 30 minutes we'll get back. Okay. Within, because you have dipped it in pure bleach, so within 3 minutes it will look like this is within 3 minutes. Okay, so but we'll wait around approximately 5 to 10 minutes now, and I'll show you the results later. Okay, so after 10 minutes our strainer is like that, and I'll wash it from warm water and I'll show it to you. And this leftover bleach I'll use for mopping the floor. I'll mix it in water, plain water, and mop the floor. I'll show you. Here is our purely cleaned strainer, and I have washed it very well with the water, and you can see that within 10 minutes it is ultra clean, sparkling clean.